Bow windows are known for their graceful curves, expansive glass, and ability to transform a room with natural light. For homeowners in Coppell, they offer a beautiful way to enhance both curb appeal and interior space. But with Texas heat and rising energy costs, aesthetics alone aren't enough. Energy performance matters just as much. The good news is that today's Bow windows are available with advanced energy-efficient features that help you enjoy the view without sacrificing comfort. If you're considering an upgrade, here's how energy-conscious Bow window options can benefit your Coppell home. Understanding Bow windows and energy performance. Bow windows are made up of 4 or more window panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from your home. Because they include multiple glass sections, energy efficiency is especially important. In Coppell's warm climate, unmanaged solar heat gain can make rooms uncomfortable and increase cooling costs. Choosing the right glass and frame options ensures your Bow window enhances your home rather than overworking your HVAC system. Double and triple pane glass options. One of the most important features of energy-conscious Bow windows is multi-pane glass. Double pane glass includes 2 layers of glass separated by an insulating space. This design significantly reduces heat transfer compared to older single-pane windows. Triple pane glass offers an additional layer of insulation, providing even better thermal performance. While triple pane may not always be necessary in North Texas, it's an option for homeowners who want maximum efficiency. Both options help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce the impact of outdoor heat. Low-E glass for Texas sun. Low-E, low emissivity, coatings are a must-have feature for Bow windows in Coppell. These nearly invisible coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while allowing natural light to pass through. That means you can enjoy bright, sunlit living spaces without turning them into hot zones during summer afternoons. Low-E glass also helps block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and decor from fading over time. Insulating gas fills between the panes of modern Bow windows. Insulating gases such as argon are often used. Argon is denser than air, which slows down heat transfer and improves overall insulation. This added layer of protection helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round and reduces energy loss. Energy-efficient frame materials. The frame material plays a critical role in overall window performance. Vinyl frames are a popular choice for Coppell homeowners. They provide excellent insulation, resist moisture damage, and require minimal maintenance. Fiberglass frames offer exceptional strength and durability. They handle temperature changes well and help maintain a tight seal over time. Both materials support long-term energy efficiency while complementing your home's style. Professional installation for maximum efficiency. Even the most energy-efficient Bow window won't perform properly without expert installation. Proper sealing, insulation, and alignment are essential to prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion. Professional installation ensures your new Bow windows deliver the performance you expect, especially during peak summer heat in Coppell. Balancing beauty and efficiency. Energy-conscious Bow windows allow you to enjoy the architectural beauty of curved glass without worrying about excessive energy waste. They create additional interior space, maximize natural light, and enhance curb appeal, all while supporting lower cooling costs and improved comfort. A smart investment for Coppell homes. Upgrading to energy-efficient Bow windows is more than a design choice. It's a practical investment in your home's comfort and value. By choosing advanced glass packages, durable frames, and professional installation, Coppell homeowners can enjoy stunning views and reliable energy performance. If you're looking for a way to brighten your home while staying mindful of energy costs, energy-conscious Bow window options provide the perfect balance of style and efficiency.